Hey guys, welcome to another reading. So let's find out what is your current situation right now and what is the guidance you need around it. Your current situation. I don't know if this is something to do with a third party situation where there is discontentment, there's miscommunication, or there is a lack of communication. It feels like this is about a connection again and not completely about you. Maybe you have been feeling stuck with a connection because there is no forward movement. You're just stuck. There is no complete, okay, this is over for good. You're just in the middle hanging there, and that is somewhere causing you distress is what I get here. Let's see what is the guidance for you if this is the situation you are in. What is the guidance for my viewers? Daydream. This is asking you to manifest what you want here. Don't keep focusing on what is not there right now, because then that is what you're creating for yourself. Instead, focus on the positive sides of this connection, like thinking about the memories which were happy. You're thinking about creating some memories which are going to be happy, instead of being worried about that this is not going to work out. As you use that seat of creativity that we all have, instead of focusing on, or sometimes even thinking of scenarios where it will only be negative. So don't focus on negative. It's a blessing in disguise, whatever is happening, probably. We don't know. Change in direction. So maybe there is some sort of changes that you need to make in where you're going. Maybe the path you're taking is not meant for you at all. Maybe there is a need to bring some change in your thought process, in your perspective towards whatever is happening. And as you create this change in your mindset, in how you want to take things forward, that is how you will create happy outcomes for yourself. But also there is some change in direction coming for you. Acceptance. Maybe accepting whatever has happened for your good. Maybe doing things for yourself for a change is something that you should be focusing on. Accepting that, okay, this has happened, this is a change that I have to deal with, and I am going to deal with it. But at the same time, I'm going to create abundance for myself, instead of focusing on what was making me unhappy here. So let's take some cards from Romance Angel deck, because I feel this is about a connection. So what do you need to know here? Engagement. See, this connection is something that is going to be there. I don't see an end to this. There is a next level or higher level of commitment this is going to go towards. But for that, you have to be in that energy where you can attract, because you are constantly in that energy where you are not you're not doing anything for yourself. Maybe you're focused on this connection. If this is what you're doing, don't do that. Focus on yourself. That is going to bring you what you are wanting here, heart to heart conversations. So whatever has been creating this discontentment, where there is no communication, there will be communication coming in. Whatever you're feeling stuck with, that thing also gets going. Okay, so you need to stay optimistic about your love life here, but at the same time focusing on what you need here. Don't keep staying stuck because somebody else has the don't be the puppet to somebody else's desires, is what I would say. So that was your reading, guys. Thank you for watching.